G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're today at a lovely home, 5 Wuruma Street in the popular bayside suburb of Scarness. There is a lot to see, so let's go and take a look around. This lovely home is enviably located in the popular suburb of Scarness, where you will enjoy the lifestyle and convenience that comes with being only minutes away from Hervey Bay's key amenities, including shopping centres, schools, TAFE, university, hospitals, golf course, cafes, restaurants, esplanade and the beach. This sound brick and tile home was built around 1989 and is positioned on an elevated 648 square metre allotment in a quiet street with that coveted north-south aspect which captures the prevailing sea breezes. You will immediately notice this charming home features an intuitive and creative floor plan which offers more than meets the eye, offering an abundance of space to entertain with family and friends all year round. The central open plan lounge and living area really does form the heart of this home and is the ideal space to watch your favourite television series or the latest blockbuster. Staying cool over the warmer summer months is as simple as turning on the reverse cycle split system air conditioning which flows across the open plan dining and living area as well as the main bedroom. The kitchen has been tastefully refurbished and features ample bench space as well as it includes plenty of cupboards and storage as well as a pantry. Quality appliances include a gas cooktop with range hood as well as a wall oven. The open plan dining area opens out to the north facing covered alfresco outdoor entertaining area complete with shade blinds and overlooking those established beautiful gardens. This is where you will enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate. Staying cool over the warmer summer months is as simple as opening up the doors and windows and capturing that prevailing southeast sea breeze. And you've also got reverse cycle split system air conditioning flowing across the main living and dining area as well as the main bedroom. This home includes 3 spacious bedrooms, all with built-in wardrobes and ceiling fans. The bathroom has been tastefully refurbished and includes floor-to-ceiling tiles with both a bath and a shower plus vanity, and you've got a separate toilet as well. The large laundry includes storage for linen and offers direct covered access outside to the clothesline. Those looking to accommodate a number of vehicles will appreciate the single garage with remote door which offers direct internal access into the home. You also have ample space to accommodate large RVs, caravans and boats with a high entry carport to the side. Those looking to be more self-sufficient will appreciate the 3.78 kilowatt solar power system. You've also got a rainwater tank, and outside we've got 2 3x3 metre garden sheds on concrete slabs to keep all your gardening equipment out of the weather. The owners have committed to purchasing another property and are now calling for an immediate sale. So here's your opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You will only be disappointed if you miss this one.